Now I'm going to talk about themes and customization of appearance in WordPress. You may be using the standard WordPress theme, you may be using a custom theme, but regardless, the options to edit are going to be very similar. So if you go in your left sidebar and click Appearance, it will bring up by default all of your themes. Here we would be able to click on a new theme if it hadn't been activated yet. You can get live previews. Really what we want to do for this exercise is to customize the appearance of our theme. So I'm going to go in, hit customize. Now it's going to give me a bunch of different options to update my site. My site title, which is going to appear up here in your tab. The tagline, it's kind of a subtitle. Colors, we can do all sorts of things like editing our background, text. So we'll put a slight variation on that just so we can see. Our header image, there's no, it doesn't look like an image is set by default in this theme, so we'll skip that part. Background image, there's no image here. If we wanted to add an image, it would most likely go right there. Navigation, like I showed you a little bit earlier, this is going to select which menu you're using for navigation. Your widgets, we just went over that in the very last one. It's going to give you a brief overview of what we have set for widgets. Looks like you can add a widget here, and this is basically just a review of the last tutorial for widgets, so we can add any of those from here. It's just a different interface. If we want to go back to our menu, we just click back. Static front page. I'll get into this a little bit later as well. This is just a quick radio button selection for latest post or static page. If we wanted to have just a page as our home page that wasn't a display of all of our posts, we would click static page, and it would just show one page, no post feed there. So let's save and publish this. Every theme is going to have a little bit different, there are going to be a little bit different options for customizing. It's really defined in the theme what you can customize. So not everybody is going to see the same thing here. Hopefully the theme that you have has lots of options there, but just be aware that some do not. If we want to get into further customization of our theme that we're not finding the options to do with this Customize tab, we can go to Editor in Appearance, and that's going to bring up all of the code of the template. Hopefully that answers all of your questions about editing themes.